Welcome to room 9218. This is a junior suite on the port side of Odyssey of the Seas. I just got off a 6-night sailing and man, this is a fantastic ship and a great room. You'll notice it's really well thought out, plenty of space. Over here on our left side is the thermostat. The thermostat on the ship controls not only the temperature, but also the curtains and the blinds. This room is really unique in that it has a 1.5 bath setup. So there is a toilet and a sink on one side. And then when we get over to the other side, you'll see the full bathroom. There is some storage, so if one or two of the people wanted to keep their stuff over here for the week, you should be set. There is an odd column in the room. It's not too obtrusive, but sometimes it does get in the way. Then we have the full bath that I was speaking of. Full bath does have a full-size bathtub, which is a standard feature on junior suites and above, as well as separate toiletries rather than the all-in-one solution that's in so many rooms today. This bathroom also has storage, so the other 2 or 3 people in this room can keep their stuff stowed away and out of the way. The room also features ample closet space, however there is no walk-in closet as there is on so many of the other suites on board. This was set up to have the 1.5 bath instead, which may be a great fit for some and not such a great fit for the others. Plenty of storage in this closet. There are also 2 other smaller closets on the sides of the bed. Also plenty of drawer space to keep your t-shirts, snorkel gear, whatever you need to keep in there over on that left side. And a smart TV. So this TV you can actually control and stream your Netflix stored videos directly from your iPad. The refrigerator is also there. It is kept to keep things chilled, not cold, so don't expect it to keep food really cold. The room also features a Lavazza espresso and coffee maker, a great fit for those who need a jolt in the morning. The desk is the only place where there are USB ports in the room. I would have liked for some to be over by the bed, but luckily there's at least some standard outlets. The room does have 2 chairs, a table, and the pull-out couch. You could comfortably fit 3 in this room, potentially 4 if you really needed to or had small children. There is the standard deck phone to call people, and one of the other closets here. When we get out into the balcony, you'll see the balcony is ample sized. I wouldn't say it's great, I wouldn't say it's super small. It does have the 2 lounge chairs, 2 ottomans, and a table, so plenty of room for you and a significant other to sit out there and watch the sea go by in the evening. Overall, Odyssey was a fantastic ship, and anybody who can get on should get on because it really was great. Hope everybody enjoyed, and thank you for coming along on this tour.